Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the Honourable Salian Kumar for the question. In line with government's commitment to improving access to socio-economic opportunities, the FRA is actively working towards addressing the frequent traffic congestion. This is part of the broader medium to long-term infrastructure development plan. It aligns with the objectives set out in the FRA strategic plan. With the continued growth in urban development and increasing number of vehicles on our roads, we do recognize the urgent need to find sustainable solutions to ease congestion. As a result, in line with government's vision, we are working towards port planning to implement a 4-lane widening of Ratundovi Road from Nandera to Langere, Fletcher Road from Nanuku to Rodal Bay Road, and Princess Road from Kalsa to Samambula. These are vital corridors that, once upgraded, will significantly reduce traffic congestion. So the Ministry is also currently working on the review of our transport system, where assistance has been secured from the Government of New Zealand to develop the Transport Master Plan and Decarbonization Implementation Strategy. In terms of reference, include a roadmap to deliver the final goal of the transport sector, provide a flexible and achievable guide for future planning and development, and outline long-term growth and development for the transport sector, including in that, as I mentioned, decarbonization implementation strategy, assessing Fiji's current transport emissions, identifying areas for improvement, and setting clear and achievable targets. So the master plan will also identify traffic congestion issues and to come up with short and long-term solutions to address these problems. One of the pressing issues that we are facing is the supply of new and second-hand vehicles, increasing supply of new and second-hand vehicles and number on our roads, which put pressure on our road infrastructure. And this plan will also identify the right quota in terms of number of vehicles on our roads. As most of you will agree, there seems to be a lot of vehicles on our roads as compared to the current capacity of our roads. So LTA is also currently actively working on a range of targeted initiatives to address the persistent traffic congestion, including promoting public transport, review of public transport networks, also development of a sustainable urban mobility plan. So these targeted measures supported by strategic partnerships and technical expertise reflects the government's commitment to mitigating traffic congestion in the Suva-Nausori corridor. The aim is to create a modern, sustainable, and efficient network that benefits all Fijians. In addition, FRA and the PWD is also exploring existing reserves for the constructions of roads within this corridor. This includes the Suva-Nausori Regional Road, which is an alternative road to Kings Road and Princess Road. The priority is to explore these link roads through the populated Nasinu corridor, residential and commercial areas to ease the movement of traffic. PWD is now cutting the Wanimbuku to Princess Road, and from looking into the William housing to connect to that Wanimbuku to Princess Road, and also looking into the Koroni via Noulu. It is also planning and designing the 4-lane widening of the Kings Road from Tamabuiwai Bridge. As you see that the old bridge is being demolished, JACA has approved the new bridge, which will make it a 4-lane, and that will work, will be expanded towards Slami. So the FRA strategic plan prioritizes the introduction of regular national traffic counts and surveys. This will assist in having the research and data to assist us in forward planning. If you go to a lot of cities in Australia, for example, Brisbane and Sydney, there are about 10 ways to get into the city. And that's what we're working towards in terms of the various routes, as already mentioned. And this, as I already mentioned, this includes the coastal road. In addition to what I mentioned, Kornivia roundabout to Nokonoko, and the Wilevu Kalsa Road link, Kornivia roundabout to Andi Davila Road, Lombati Link Road, Nambua Bypass Link, Namandi Wunakede Link, Walilevu Link, Princess Road to Tamabuiwai Road, Wairua Road to Tamabuiwai Bridge, Cement Factory, Lami Link Road, Novotel Access Link Road, Wailoku to Ndelenebesi. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Minister, Filipe Tuisawau.